Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. I bet you all have had one of those days where everything is chaotic, nothing goes to plan, and you're still thinking about what am I going to serve for dinner tonight. So, if you're in that predicament, watch this video and I will show you how I put a quick dinner together with little effort, and it's still very delicious and everyone was very happy. Today I'm going to show you how to cook an easy meal for a busy weeknight. Let's get cooking. I have defrosted about 1 kg of chicken nibbles for tonight's dinner, and I'm going to be seasoning this and then roasting it in the oven. But first I have to transfer it to my bowl. I start off with adding some olive oil to the chicken, about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm just tossing the chicken in the olive oil to make sure that it's totally coated before I start adding the seasoning. Next, I'm adding some salt and pepper to taste. Toss that around to get it nice and coated in the salt and pepper. I switched to a spoon because it makes it easier to toss the chicken. I'm adding about a teaspoon of onion powder, and then I'll be adding about a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm also adding some ground paprika, just a sprinkle, maybe half a teaspoon. Then add about a teaspoon of oregano. Stir the chicken around to give it a good coating in all the seasonings. Now that the chicken is coated, I'm ready to transfer it to my roasting pan. I'm going to line my roasting pan with some baking paper just to make for an easy cleanup. Now just pour the chicken out onto the roasting pan and spread it out evenly. I'll be baking the chicken at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. The chicken is nicely cooked, it looks beautiful, and it smells delicious. I've got 3 large whitewashed potatoes, and I'm going to cube them up with the skin on and place that in a bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the potatoes and give it a stir to make sure the potatoes are fully coated in the olive oil. Add some salt and pepper to taste. I am adding a little bit more salt to the potatoes because potatoes do like a bit of salt, and then just give it a shake of pepper and give it a stir to distribute all the seasonings throughout. I am also adding some onion powder and garlic powder, as well as some Italian herbs to the potatoes. This is optional. You can change out the seasonings to anything you like, so make it your own. Give it another good stir to coat all the potatoes in the seasoning, and then you are ready to air fry. At the last minute, I decided to add just a little bit of spice, so I just added a pinch of chili flakes to the potatoes and mixed that in, and that's going to make a very delicious roasted potato. I set the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius and I set the time for 20 minutes. Now the air fryer will preheat. Once the air fryer has preheated, it will tell me to add the food. I add the potatoes to the air fryer basket and I carefully spread it out so it's evenly in one layer. This will help the potatoes cook evenly and become crispy. Halfway through cooking, I will turn the potatoes to make sure it cooks evenly on all sides. At the 10-minute mark, I just give the potatoes a good turn and a shake to make sure it cooks evenly. Once the air fryer is done cooking, I just check to make sure the potatoes are roasted to my liking. And dinner is served. Delicious chicken nibbles with roasted potatoes, and I added some coleslaw with ranch dressing on the side. So this is going to be a delicious meal on our very busy weeknight. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Be inspired for those busy weeknights to cook something simple that's still delicious and very nutritious instead of getting takeout. Take care of yourself, and as always, this is all I've got for you today, so I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.